We collide, we break down, caving in to our doubts. Faces filled.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is the final video in my New Year No Clutter series. Today we're going to be tackling our hall closets.
I can see the fire that
The first closet we're going to be working on is the smallest of our hall closets, and this has always been the baby supply closet. This is where I've kept all of the smaller baby equipment like my breast pump and things like that, along with diapers, wipes.
this is the hard way.
The rest of the stuff like the diapers and the wipes, I'm going to be organizing into the sink in their bathroom.
We can't be hurting together. This is the hard way better. We can't be hurting together. This is the hard way better.
I decided to make this closet our wrapping station.
Let's go back. Let's start again to a place a long time ago when I kissed your lips. I can see the fire that we made just to save us when we try to make up for never letting go. Said the things we promised not to say, then we break up just to start all over, even though we know. This is the hard way to better. We can't be hurting together. This is the hard way to better. We can't be hurting together.
Alright, the second closet we're going to be tackling you guys have seen before. I posted a video earlier on my channel of me decluttering this closet, so it is not in terrible shape. I am just going to go through and reorganize some things.
Light me up, don't you stop, 'cause tonight it's on the line. Show me how you get on down. Close my eyes, take me for a ride. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by my side. Light me up, let me touch the flame now, baby. I'm your phoenix tonight. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Come on and rise. Light me up, can't get enough. Take your time, just do it right. We will rise to the skies, 'cause we ain't done till we hit the sun. Got to be you. So come and light me up. I still need your fire, baby. I still want you by
I am moving our paper towels that we usually store in our kitchen into this closet because it just makes more sense.
night. Come on and rise. Come
video. It's nice to get my hall closets nice and clean and organized. I hope this video gave you all some motivation. If you haven't, please subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below and let me know what you thought. And we will see you guys next time. Bye.